What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of rental arbitrage. I'm in a building that my wife and I just rented the entire floor of a new apartment complex. It's an office building that was completely renovated and turned into apartments. So rental arbitrage is when you rent a unit and then you have the express written consent to sublease. So I rent the unit from the building owner, and then I have the right in writing to rent it short term on Airbnb, sublease it. So there's a couple positives and there's some negatives to this. The first negative is I don't control the building. If I have a guest that upsets the building owner or causes an issue, they could probably just come in and evict me. So I'm not the master of my domain, which I don't like that. The other thing that I'm not benefiting from is every month when I make my lease payment, I don't get any equity built up. If I owned the place, every month that I made a payment, I would get some equity built up. The principal portion is essentially profit long term. I also don't get the benefit of appreciation. If the property goes up in value, the only way you get that is if you own it. Positives are my expenses are fixed. I don't have to pay property taxes. I don't have to pay maintenance. Included in my rent is water, sewer, trash, insurance on the building, and common area cleaning and maintenance. The other positives are I don't have to buy the appliances. Washer and dryer, refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave, stove and oven, all included in the rent. The other major positive is maintenance. If the heating unit goes down, that's not my responsibility. I do have options to renew or extend my lease over time. Again, I'm not in control 100%. It's somebody else's property. So those are the positives and negatives about rental arbitrage. So just to recap, my only expenses are I pay the rent, I pay electric, I have to furnish the place, I have to buy supplies, and I have to clean between guests, and then I have to pay insurance like renter's insurance and liability insurance, renter's insurance on my furniture. So let me walk you through this 2-bedroom unit. Just about finished construction and they're just waiting on cleaning. This is the kitchen living room area. Love this building, it's so cool. We're in Charleston, West Virginia, and we don't have many downtown apartments. So this building is already completely full. Appliances, like I said, they're all included, which is a huge, that's a few $1,000s of savings that I don't have to deal with. Washer and dryer, that's a must-have in an Airbnb or short-term rental. First of all this stuff is brand new, so we shouldn't have any issues, but if we do, it's the landlord's responsibility. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Even like if the toilet clogs or I got a plumbing issue, that's all gonna be covered and included in the rent. And that can be a huge expense if you own something. Nice ceiling fans with remotes. There's the full bath. Again, everything's brand new, ready to be cleaned and staged, and we'll be able to rent this within a week or so. And I'll video the final product so you guys can see how it transforms and what it takes to rent a unit. So there you have it. That's the pros and cons of rental arbitrage. I hope this helped you guys understand a little bit more about it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them on a future video. And if you like this, it's been helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and ask me any questions. I'd love to share my knowledge and experience on short-term rentals.